Ever wondered how your daily meals impact your brain performance? In an ever-evolving world brimming with information and demands, it's crucial to understand the power of food in boosting our focus and creativity. Over the next 5 minutes, unlock the secrets of brain food that could help you reach new heights of concentration and inventiveness. First off, let's delve into foods that can enhance focus. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, so consider incorporating more fatty fish into your diet. What about foods that can stimulate creativity? Research suggests that berries, particularly blueberries, contain compounds that boost blood flow to the brain and ignite the creative process. So, feel free to mix berries into your breakfast or snacks. Additionally, here are some simple tips that can help boost your daily brain performance. Start with a healthy breakfast packed with protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to provide long-lasting energy. And remember to stay hydrated, as dehydration can affect concentration. So, that's a brief overview of brain foods that can enhance your focus and creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest healthy information, and share this video with friends who might need an extra boost to improve their brain performance. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next healthy video.